have. All right, so we have the graph. Okay, let's get down below for the function substitution. All right, f of 0. Oh, I cleared it. What's the function? 3 log 5 0 plus 4 minus 2. I get 0.58. That is my x-intercept, right? When x is 0, oh wait, that's my y-intercept. When x is 0, I have 0.58. That's right here, right? If you want to if you guys just want to see that it just so happened. Right? So, where did I put x-intercept? That's supposed to be a y. That's your y-intercept. That's here, right? How do you find a y-intercept? You let x equal 0. So you could put 0.58 here, but it happens to be right there. Remember, to find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. This is always super easy to find because it's just by calculator. You just substitute the 0, right? This one is harder because until we start going over how you solve the functions, this is much more complicated and it's specific to the function. Okay, so what I told you here is you go by your graph and I will give you full credit, okay, until we go through them. So kind of like a grace period. So here, where is y0? Here's y0. So if I follow it along, mine is about, I don't know, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Look at your graph. Where is your point here? And it's going to vary a bit. So where is your y-intercept? Your x-intercept, I mean. Mine looks like 0.6 or maybe 0.8. I'll go between there. 0.6, 0.8. What do you guys have? What do you have? Yours not the same. Yeah? Oh, you need your axes. Get your axes. Where's yours? Yeah, you're like more almost at 1 or 9. Yeah, you're like 28.9. You guys see where to look? It's where the graph is crossing the x-axis. That's where y is 0. Yeah, you're like at 0.9. Yeah, so if you guys can see, obviously by our human error, right, with our graph paper and graphing, you can be most of all of you are above 0.5. That's really the commonality that we all have. We're above negative 0.5 between -1. So you would get full credit. Obviously your support is the graph, it's the table. Yes? Yeah, okay. Okay, and then for the others, what's f of 4? You just plug it in, and I get 1.88, and then I plug in what can you see? Yeah, -5, and I get error, and that's it. That's all you're giving me for the bottom part. It's just, can you use the calculator? Yeah. Yeah. Good? Yeah? Okay, let's look at domain and range and behavior. Okay, what's the domain of the function? Not -3. -4, parenthesis or bracket? Parenthesis, because this is your asymptote, so it's -4 to positive infinity. Okay, what's my range? Do you have a restriction vertically? Do you have any kind of vertical restriction? None. And so if you don't have a restriction, it's either -infinity to positive infinity, or you can put all reals. Or you can write all reals, which is real numbers. And that's because this is shooting downward all through the y-axis, so you're activating all these negative values because it's an arrowhead. Here it's an arrowhead. It is slowly progressing upward, so you are going to activate all these y values moving up. But you don't have any, bless you, you don't have a restriction. Okay, and then if we go by the end behavior, but again, this is optional. Okay, as the function approaches negative infinity on the x-axis, what is the function moving to? That would be on the y one. That would be this one. What is it on the x-axis? Very good, -4. It also kind of matches your domain range right here. Okay, when x is moving along the positive axis to positive infinity, what is the function doing? Well, no, I stopped at 10, but it keeps going forever and ever, and so what is it? Yeah. There's no asymptote here. It's just, that was the furthest point I could get on my little paper. And then as, oh, I was like, why is that one done? I forgot. Okay, as y is approaching positive infinity and I'm moving up, what is the function doing? Yeah, positive. This is, yeah. I got thrown off because we wrote that one, so it's like I wanted to go 1, 2, 3, 4. But going 1, 2, going x, y. So tomorrow with Mr. Nath, you guys will be in 4s. You have all your papers, no cell phones, don't have them out. Nath will be watching you guys. Just get here, get to your 4s. You guys will walk in. So hopefully you guys know, if you're going to be running late, like message your person that hopefully you can get here within 5 minutes, because I'm going to have on there that after 5 minutes, you just like fill in the spots. You don't get to hold on to your spot. And then as you walk in, you just take a table, and then whoever comes in is your partner. Okay? So you can't walk in 15 minutes and be like, hey guys, and I'm going to join them. No, you're off to your